Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal, things, and feelings. Person. Aditya is the name of a person. Place. Delhi is the name of a place. Animal. A tiger is an animal. Things. A book is a thing. Feelings: angry, happy, sad, etc. These all are the examples of noun. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. He, she, it, they, we, us, and me, you are some examples of pronoun. John is my friend. John is a very good boy. Here, in the first sentence, John is a noun. But in the second sentence, we need to replace the noun John with he. And he is a pronoun that replaces the noun here. Now the sentence looks like, John is my friend. He is a very good boy. Adjective. Adjective describes the quality or state of beings of noun. Some examples of adjectives are clever, fast, slow, long, huge, few, etc. Ria is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, beautiful is an adjective word that describes how Ria is. Verb. Verb is a doing or action words. Example of verb: run, sleep, sing, drive, jump, etc. Ria swims every Monday. In this sentence, swim is a verb and swimming is an action done by Ria every Monday. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Words like slowly, loudly, carefully, quickly, quietly, or sadly are all adverbs. Jack is running. In this sentence, Jack, a noun, is running. Now using the adverb fast in this sentence. Jack is running fast. Fast is the adverb, shows how Jack is running, slow or fast. Preposition. A preposition shows the relation of a person or thing to another word in the sentence. About, over, from, beside, on, in, and across are some examples of preposition. The keys are on the table. In this sentence, the relation between key and table shows by preposition on. On shows keys are kept on the table. Conjunction. Conjunctions are words that join two sentences together. For, so, but, and, it, while, either, and because are examples of conjunction. Davy likes tea. Davy likes coffee. Now join these two sentences using conjunction and. Davy likes tea and coffee. Interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses emotions and feelings. For example,